How to copy link of Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to copy and paste your Facebook link. In order to do that, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Facebook account. Make sure that your page is currently active, and once you're logged into your page, it's going to take you to this page. So tap the profile icon from the top right, and once you're on this page, tap the three dot icon and it's going to take you to the page settings page. Here you can see right at the bottom you have this particular link. So this is your page link. So in order to copy it, tap the copy link button. Now it has been copied to your clipboard. You can paste it on any other platform. For now I'm just going to go ahead with the Facebook. So go ahead and open up the particular page and just go ahead and paste in the particular link. So whenever this particular person taps on the link, it's going to direct the person to the particular page or the link of this particular page that I've sent it. So in this way you can copy the link of Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.